Here's a tutorial on how to connect the CINENORM series monitors to the Panasonic GH6 camera via wired connection. Applicable models: BM5 for WR, BM54, and BM7 to DS. First, connect the HDMI cable to the camera's HDMI out port and the monitor's HDMI in port. Next, connect the control cable to the camera's Type-C port and the monitor's remote port. Then, set the monitor's input signal. Tap the screen to bring up the menu. Go to Monitor Settings, click Input, and set the input signal to HDMI. Now, let's check how to pair the connections. Tap the monitor screen to bring up the menu. Click on the external devices, select Wired, and then click Connect. At this point, the camera will pop up a USB mode selection window. Select the second option, PC Tether. Once the monitor detects the camera model, the connection is successful. In the camera control interface, tap Rack to enable or unenable camera recording. Tap Shoot to enable the camera shutter, provided the camera is in shooting mode. Otherwise, this button will not respond. Tap Focus to trigger autofocus, provided the camera is in AF mode. Otherwise, this button will not respond. Click Iris to adjust the aperture. Click Shutter to adjust the shutter. Click ISO to adjust the ISO. Tap Focus to enable the monitor touch focus. Tap SS, gain SEI to toggle the shutter speed and ISO value units. Click WB to switch white balance modes. When the white balance is set to K1, K2, or K3, tap CT to adjust the color temperature of the image. When ISO is in auto mode, tap EV to adjust the exposure compensation value. That's the tutorial about how to connect the Panasonic G6 wired. Thanks for watching.